Hooper directed the Texas Chainsaw Massacre in 1974. He has been honored with many awards for his films and spent years as a documentary cameraman, and he is now considered one of the masters of horror. Steve Miner directed Halloween as well as Friday the 13th Part 2 and Part 3. He is the only director to have directed more than one of this series. He has had a very popular career in filmmaking and is currently one of Hollywood's most creative directors, and has worked with a variety of famous actors and actresses. Before becoming a director, he worked as an editor for Wes Craven. Neil Marshall was the director of Descent, Dog Soldiers and Doomsday. He is also a producer. The film Descent that he directed made £570,000 just on its opening weekend. It was a very popular film. Todd Browning, the director of Dracula and The Unholy Three. In 1948, he won a DGA Honorary Life Member Award at the Directors Guild of America. His typical style of film was a mixture of fantasy, mystery and horror. Wes Craven was the director of Scream, Scream 2 and Scream 3. He wrote, directed and edited The Last House on the Left. He wrote and directed A Nightmare on Elm Street, and he wrote and directed A New Nightmare.